And we are back for another weekly video. How's everyone doing? Before we get into this video, can you just do one thing for me, please? Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Leave a comment, how your day is going, where you're from. Yeah, let me know how you guys are liking the videos. So we've made good progress so far. We're still on the second house. I don't know if you guys can remember, there used to be that big stone wall, which you would have seen us on the last video getting out. So we have started to shutter off and pour concrete in there. This wall, back wall, was actually like a brick, like thin brick wall, so we took that out. We're digging a foundation to build that up in block. This opening here, there was two doorways, so if you quickly look at the picture that I'm going to put on now, and then you can see it afterwards. So that's all clear. So, kind of made a plan yesterday. Let me know what you guys think. Really good architect plan. So the room I'm standing at the minute, that's going to be the bedroom here. We've got lounge going out to the back door, and then we've got kitchen in this area, front door and bathroom. That was in my head yesterday, and now I've got to put it into real life. So bedroom up to that rail on the floor there, just in here. We'll walk through. This will obviously be all the lounge area, back door going out. Yeah, but that's too high, Gav. I know. So I've got to dig all that out with a digger. We're going to make a nice patio area, and then obviously the garden will be around the back there. That will be blocked up, and that's obviously going to be the first house that I've been showing you. That's their rear access. We'll then be walking in to the kitchen area here. Loads of mess still. Bathroom's going to be in that far corner, and then you've got the front door to the left. So it's exciting. I'm hoping to have most of it plasterboarded by Christmas time. I'm actually going to be jumping on back to the first house, which is obviously next door, because we've made one big house into two small houses. The plastering's been done, so the weather's still quite nice, so I'm going to be painting in there tomorrow. I'm going to try and get that done by Friday. As you know from previous videos, we spray paint, so it obviously goes a lot quicker. Yeah, so it's going well. It's going well. So yeah, like I said before, just leave a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It's free. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers this year. We're on 85, 15 away, so please help me out. Yeah, and hopefully the videos are getting slightly better. Obviously I'm learning. Yeah, but have a good day, guys.